Ever wondered how digital investigators find important clues that are not on the hard drive? Or what secrets does the volatile memory of a computer hold? Welcome to Hack the Matrix, where today we're diving into the fascinating world of memory forensics and memory imaging in digital investigations. Memory forensics in the realm of digital forensics is akin to an archaeological dig into a computer's volatile memory. It's a meticulous process that involves unearthing traces of user activity, system events, malware, and other nuggets of information that could be pivotal to an investigation. This technique often reveals evidence that might remain hidden during traditional file-based investigations. Now, imagine if you could freeze a moment in time and examine it later at your leisure. That's essentially what we're doing when we talk about memory imaging. We're creating a snapshot of the computer's volatile memory and preserving it as a file. This image can then be analyzed offline, providing a window into the past for us to glean important insights. On my screen is a popular memory imaging tool. With a handful of simple commands, we can generate an image of our target system's memory. These images can be treasure troves of important artifacts, such as running processes, network connections, or even files that were deleted but briefly lingered in memory. Output. So why is memory forensics so pivotal? The answer lies in the fleeting nature of computer memory. Unlike data stored on a hard drive, information in memory can be rapidly overwritten or completely lost when the system is shut down. Acquiring and analyzing memory dumps gives us a snapshot of the system's state during a specific period, even if it's long past. The applications of memory forensics in digital investigations are numerous and varied. It can help us detect and analyze sophisticated malware that only resides in memory, effectively circumventing traditional antivirus software. We can also unearth evidence related to cyber attacks, identify malicious processes, and even find pieces of encrypted data. The potential is truly immense. And there we have it, a whirlwind tour of memory forensics and memory imaging. We've discussed the significance of memory forensics, how memory imaging allows us to preserve a moment in time, and a few intriguing applications of this technique that can prove invaluable in investigations. If you found this video enlightening, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech-savvy content. Also, feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. As always, stay curious and keep exploring. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.